We all know girls are smart. They are also very fascinating creatures. If you are watching this video, chances are you are looking for some information or some answer to your question about girls. Maybe you are curious to know more about them and how they think. And what will we usually be doing? On this video, I will share with you what are the things you must know. You can establish that commonality with each other when communicating with them. You may possibly ignite some sparks to the person you want to connect with. It's not only for dating or romantic relationships, but this can also when you are in a professional situation or relationships that you are building with them. This is one way of getting into a deeper level of engagement. This can also be helpful for girls too that are not aware of some things. And please watching our upcoming videos because we will share more interesting videos about activities that couples can do in dating time or how to build a deeper bond in relationship through Chinese. There are a few different types of girls. Start with their most common daily activities. And first, we need to understand and identify what are the types of girls we are connecting with. And they are girls that are sporty, girly, energetic, like me, girl next door, smart, friendly, and so many more. Okay, let's cover those activities first. Okay, first, let's start with sporty girls. This kind of girls, they like to do some sport when they're free time. So the first word is 健身房. It's a place for workout. So guess what? Yes, it's gym. 健身房, gym. And so what do you do when you go gym? Of course, work out. So 健身, 健身, work out. So do you like go gym? For example, 你空闲的时间喜欢做什么? What do you like to do in your free time? I like to go to gym to work out. 健身房, gym. 健身, work out. And next, this activity is actually my favorite. Singing, 唱歌. Singing. I love to sing Chinese song. 我喜欢唱中国歌。So what type of What song do you like to sing? This activity I also like is 跳舞 dance 跳舞 For example, I always wanted to dance since I was a kid. This activity the most girls like to do, which is selfie 自拍 selfie, and I like too. For example, 我女朋友喜欢自拍 My girlfriend
loves
to take selfie. And next activity is the most popular activity in the world, which is 拍视频 shoot video. Usually, we like to shoot video to post on our social media, such as TikTok or YouTube. So, 拍视频 shoot video. 拍 means shoot. 视频 means video. For example, I always shoot videos to post on my social media. Post 发布 So do you like shoot video? And don't forget to watch our video on our social media. And this activity is the most girl they do every day, which is 化妆 make up. 化妆 make up. For example, I make up every day. So how about you? And this activity we like to do when we go dating or parties is 穿搭 穿搭 dressing. Girls always love to dress up. When we go party, so do you like dressing up? And this activity can help us happy when we feel sad or disappointed, which is shopping. 买东西 shopping. So 买 means buy. 东西 means things. And 买东西 you can also say 购物. So shopping means 买东西 or 购物. For example, let's go shopping. 走吧，我们去购物。下厨 means cook.
Next,
For example, I usually cook Chinese food on Sunday. Chinese food, 中国菜. So, do you like Chinese food? And last one is reading. 读 means read. 书 means book. So, read book means reading. So, do you like reading? Just tell me.
for example, reading makes me to feel peaceful.
Do you have same feeling? If you do, just tell me below. And also let us know what is your favorite activity. So okay, do you get it? And I hope you will like our videos and our male learners can learn from this video so that you can accompany your girlfriend or wife doing those activities together, then can make your relationship more and more interesting and colorful. I hope our videos have helped you, and if this video gives you value, give us a thumbs up and let us know your comment below about this video, or let us know if you have any suggestive topics for our upcoming videos, and we can create it for you. And if you know anyone that can benefit from this video, please share our video to them as well. We would want to help and reach more students and help them with their Chinese learning journey. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, hit that subscriber bell button below, because we are going to upload videos every week so that can help on your Chinese learning goal. 我们下个视频见. See you in our next videos. Bye bye.